Compact and portable, this mini tabletop dishwasher is great for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, and boats. With its built-in 5-liter water tank, you don't even need a hookup. Can fit 12-inch diameter dishes. Rated power, 750 W, water pressure, 20 to 120 psi. Socket is 10A120 VAC, versatile cleaning. The Farberware countertop dishwasher offers 5 different wash cycles, including baby care, glass, and fruit wash, ensuring that all your dishes, from delicate glassware to baby bottles, are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. Time-saving. With just 40 minutes, water, and electricity, you can have clean dishes and sparkling glassware anywhere and anytime. This small dishwasher is great for busy individuals who need an efficient solution for their dishwashing needs. Easy to use and maintain. This dishwasher features a user-friendly LED display and simple controls, making it easy to select the perfect wash cycle for your needs. The water tank is easy to refill and clean, ensuring it stays in top condition. Farberware. From reliable aluminum and stainless cookware to the latest in hybrid ceramic non-stick technology, Farberware continues to bring durability, design, innovation, and value that makes it America's most trusted cookware brand.